In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N to HubSpot in 2025, ensuring your integration is seamless and straightforward. Whether you're new to this process or looking to refresh your knowledge, we're here to guide you every step of the way. First, we'll need to access HubSpot, where it all begins. So go ahead and navigate to the user guide on HubSpot by using your preferred web browser. This initial step will set the stage for everything that follows. Once you're on the HubSpot user guide page, it's time to move forward and look for their Apps section. This section is a treasure trove of tools and integrations ready to complement your HubSpot experience. Next, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Click on it to enter a more focused environment where we will locate the N8N integration. Once you're inside the Apps section, type N8N into the search bar. This is crucial because N8N is not the only app available, and a quick search will help you find it without any hassle. Typing it in will direct you to the available options that match your query, making the search straightforward. After performing the search, look for the application that mentions it's provided by N8N GmbH. This ensures you're selecting the correct integration from the myriad of choices. Clicking here will direct you to the App Details page, which provides more information about the N8N integration and what it can do for your HubSpot setup. Feel free to explore this page if you're curious about its capabilities. When you're ready and confident this is the integration you need, simply click on Install App. This simple action is your gateway to starting the installation process. Once you click Install App, HubSpot will guide you through any final setup steps necessary to complete the integration. It might ask for permissions to access your data, so make sure to review these consent requests carefully. By following these steps, you're effectively opening up new opportunities for automating and enhancing workflows through the N8N integration with HubSpot. Remember, integrating these tools could drastically improve efficiency and data handling within your business operations. If at any point you encounter issues or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to HubSpot's support team or consult additional online resources that can provide more help. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated N8N with HubSpot, paving the way for improved automation and workflow management in your organization. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.